BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Not a BOOZHOO. On the guitar, Michael Lyons. And over here, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Look at on BOOZHOO, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Gakina. All right, take it away.
Out on the street for a living, pictures only begun. Ooh. Got you under their thumb. Hit it!
Na 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 na
Black Diamond! Black Diamond!
I think it's spiked up the microphone
I'm born in the city. If it'll fire you too. Ooh, Black Diamond, yeah, 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 yeah.
out on the street.
Welcome to Not a BOOZHOO.
I'll be.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That's kind of cool. You could make that the new theme song.
Hey, everybody.
Instead of ripping off, Sesame Street.
All right, what's next?
Let's see. How about this one?
Oh, yeah, Firehouse.
I like it when
Woohoo,
Paul
yeah!
Stanley puts on that fireman's cap.
Woohoo, yeah! Woohoo, yeah! For you. She'll adore you, adore you. These are women and all. Michael doesn't know the songs, 'cause it sets my soul afire. Get the firehouse, and the flames keep getting higher now. Firehouse!
Oh,
That's hilarious. Ishkode Wigamig, the firehouse. Ishkode Wigamig. That's our Ojibwe word today.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh. This is a headbanging song. Yeah, da da do 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 do. Wah. Ba ba da ba ba da ba. Da 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 da. Do I take it so long? Must have been a bitch when I was gone. All the time you put up with me. 100,000 years.
Baby, won't you let me think I'm going out of my head?
Oh, yeah. Somebody called out the doctor. The doctor of love. Oh. Kisses are so tough. I was thinking about love. You need my love, baby, oh so bad. You're not the only one I ever had now. And if I say I wanna set you free, don't you know you'll be in misery? You know why? Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love, calling Dr. Love. you can do. You need my love and don't you know it's true? So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees. Baby, I know what your problem is. The first step of the cure is a kiss. The greatest band in the world. Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. 'Cause I am a doctor of love.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so Paul
What do you think, Natasha?
Yeah.
What should do the next one?
Let's do a love song. Yeah. How about Forever? There we go. I like love songs. You know, if I was on a deserted island, I would definitely get this album.
Oh yeah, me too.
I gotta tell you what I'm feeling inside. I could lie to myself, but it's true. There's no denying when I look in your eyes. Girl, I'm out of my head over you. I lived so long believing all of this lies, but everything about you is telling me this time it's forever. This time I know it, there's no doubt in my mind. Forever, until my life is through. Girl, I'll be loving you forever.
That's another one of those songs with 3-part harmony. This is like a barbershop quartet.
Here comes not the Doctor of Love. Here comes God of Thunder.
This one's for all the boys from the band October. We're making them do this song.
You got something about you. You got something I need.
What?
Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father's son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as the one before the God of Thunder and rock and roll. Spare your thunder. We'll slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
Or Gene would say.
Ooh, yeah!
Yeah.
All right, finally, let's go out with rock and roll all night and party.
Now you're talking.
Alright.
Woo! Yeah,
Thanks for
yeah.
watching, everybody. Back
Na,
tomorrow.
na, na. And you show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. Why? You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. Looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
Oh, Amos, take it away, Benjamin.
And you say you wanna go for a spin. The party just will go let me in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
Huh? What?
No. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Yeah. You have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
You sure have.
Podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is the whole gang.
BOOZHOO!
Okay. We'll see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minowa. Hoa.
Oh,
Oh,
hikes. That was great.
that was really fun.
Ba-da-dum-ba.
Thank you. Good night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Click the link.
Oh, jeez.
All right.